Many Muslims are confused about which masjid is Masjid al-Aqsa. They have a picture or a painting of the masjid behind me here and it will say Masjid al-Aqsa. And this is something dangerous because it makes us forget which the real Masjid al-Aqsa is. This masjid behind us is not Masjid al-Aqsa. Masjid al-Aqsa is the whole compound, but the actual masjid is not this one. This masjid is called Qubbat al-Sakhra. It was built by Abdul Malik ibn Marwan in 72 Hijri. This was built on a rock that many of the ulama had felt that this is the place where Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam went for Isra al-Mi'raj, but it is not Masjid al-Aqsa in and of itself. Masjid al-Aqsa is on the other side of it. This what you're looking at, this is the actual Masjid al-Aqsa. And the danger of the Muslims not realizing that is, if the Yahud or others try to destroy this masjid and people are so ignorant they don't even know which Masjid al-Aqsa is the real Masjid al-Aqsa, then people will show them pictures of Qubbat al-Sakhra to say that it's okay while destroying the actual masjid.